We keep saying men are clueless. But when they ask questions, we shoot them down. Here is what I'm talking about. His question is simple. If the bare minimum expected from men is to provide, protect, plan dates, buy flowers, pay for dates, he did mention that these are just, the common asks. Ito yung karaniwang hinihingi. Ano naman ang bare minimum na dapat naming asahan from women? And apparently, this question triggered a lot of women in the comment section. And I do get it. His list of bare minimum is questionable. Like, bumili ng flowers, magbayad ng date. I get that. But, these are not the bare minimums that we are talking about. Pero alam mo kung ano yung mas concerning? I read comments attacking the guy saying, dapat alam mo na yan. Tanungin mo nanay mo. Look at your parents. The fact that you're asking is already a red flag. Siguro hindi ka pinalaki sa loving family. Alam mo, honestly, for women now, we constantly say na men should communicate more, men should learn emotional intelligence, dapat they ask questions, men should listen. Tapos ngayon, may nagtatanong, sasagutin mo ng common sense is not common. And then, there are a lot of comments surrounding parenting. Like, they're saying na, you look at your mother and you're supposed to know. You're supposed to know based on what your mother is doing for your family. Like, girl, hindi lahat lumaki sa healthy na household. Like, hindi lahat may father figure. Hindi lahat may parents na sweet. Hindi lahat nakita yung healthy communication growing up. Alam nyo ba na there are a lot of men who literally learned relationship basics from toxic na mga barkada. Like, ano yung ginagawa ng mga barkada nila? Worse, Facebook memes. Even worse, quite honestly, are like learning relationship standards from Andrew Tate clips and sino yung bugoy na kalbo na tatlo yung asawa. Like, seriously, this goes for women too, It's the same for women. A lot of women also grew up thinking silent treatment is normal. Toxic jealousy is love, na parang dahil nagsiselo siya, mahal niya ako. Mind games are flirting. No, they're not. Suffering equates to loyalty. So, we are all products of what we survived. Now, the very term bare minimum, the thing is that it has already been weaponized online. Because originally, bare minimum are the low-hanging fruits, the things that is expected from you for being in a relationship, the things expected from you because you love each other.